In this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI tools Max is using to make thousands of dollars. And the best part of this is that lots of these tools can even be used for free. Sarah's fashion brand is dying because her photos look amateur. Her clothes are pretty cool, but her presentation is terrible. Max, on the other hand, has a dropshipping company. He doesn't even carry inventory, but he's selling 3 times more clothes than Sarah. The secret is this: Max is using AI. Let's start with the first thing. A website. Sarah's website is really boring. She used a popular e-commerce web hosting and paid $29 a month for hosting. We all know which one I'm talking about. She also soon realized that supporting apps for her website were really expensive. Max chose Bluehost for his domain and paid just $4 a month. Now, the cool part is that his package came with a lot of AI tools. As you can see, Max is in a comfortable lead of saving money. Sarah went ahead to book a photo shoot for her clothes. The photographer charged her $2,000. She paid the model $500 and paid a local makeup artist $200. Max used his phone to take pictures of the clothes, and with the help of an AI tool like Cellapic AI or the New Black AI, he was able to generate cool models in his clothes and even custom models. How much did he spend? Can you guess? Less than $20. He even got videos in addition with a single month subscription. 1 month. Sarah hired a copywriter to do her product descriptions for her, but Max used Gemini AI. Max was done in just a day for his full collection of clothes. You see, AI doesn't just save you money, you also save time. After weeks of everybody launching their brands and making sales, both Sarah and Max realized that most of their customers were plus size. Now, Max instantly used Chimera AI to generate images of plus size models in the clothes. This resonated really well with his clients and his sales increased. Now, he did all of this and uploaded the images before Sarah could even get hold of her photographer. If anything I'm saying resonates with you or is interesting to you, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn how to use highly curated AI tools to launch your fashion brand or to grow it super fast without breaking the bank. I have links to all the valuable AI tools I mentioned in my description. Check them out and thank me later. Please subscribe.